hope you're all doing well. I am outside again trying to take in this most beautiful, gorgeous weather we are having. It was a long winter and I'm just so happy to be outdoors. I shared with you like a little hike I went on recently, and I put together some sounds in a video just maybe as like an inspiration for you to go out and enjoy some nice weather if you have it, or also just to enjoy the sounds and relax you, because that's always nice to hear when you're indoors as well. Today I have a very, very special video for you. It's an unboxing, and it kind of ties in all this kind of good energy I'm trying to bring into my life. The whole going outdoors, bringing more of a natural. I've been decluttering the house quite a bit these last few days. Like I took out a bunch of clothes and donated it from the closet, and been just trying to get kind of like that nice summer feel. I know it's more of a spring cleaning you're supposed to do, but the kids are going on holidays today for summer vacation, so I just wanted the house in order and a calmness to the beginning of our summer. And to go with it, for July 1st I received this gorgeous Simply Earth box. This one's the bonus box. It has been sponsored by Simply Earth, and I cannot wait to share what offers they have for you. But it comes in this big blue box, which is so bright and happy and really nice and packaged. It has like a funny little sticker on it too. I thought it was cute that they're having some fun with their boxes and their stickers. And then inside I actually received the monthly subscription box, and this is the essential oil recipe box. Cannot wait to open it. So this one here has another fun sticker, super cute. And I'm not sure which one to open first for you guys on camera. So this is how it comes. Everything is nice and sealed in here, compact. I haven't removed anything because I wanted to share with you guys how it is. So I don't even know what's underneath all this stuffing. And then here's this cute little subscription box. So they do have a website that allows you to browse and you can buy things individually. Their website is so user-friendly, and then they have these beautiful diffusers. Now I'm fortunate enough to already have an existing diffuser, which I use I have 4 or 5 of them in the house. I have lost track. I even have 2 in my craft room. I love diffusing essential oils. Typically I'll go to the Body Shop and I'll grab some from there. We also have a store called Sage here in Canada, and so I will go and pick some up there when I'm at the mall sometimes. But this is even better because they'll send it to you monthly. All I have to do is click subscription and they send me a beautiful box filled with essential oils. I cannot go wrong. So once opening this little box, I'm gonna see what's in here. And okay, so it comes with 4 bottles, and they're like not teeny tiny. They're a nice size bottle. They have, let me see here. They're 100% pure, Simply oil, made simply from earth, and they're pure oils, honest prices. And they are. I did take a look at their website, and their prices are very, very honest, very reasonable. And I love what they stand behind. So they have on the back, I don't know if you can see this, it says a 13% of sales go towards I guess they have a hashtag be a world changer, but it's to end human trafficking. I absolutely love that. That is just such a wonderful thing to stand behind as a company, as I think we know more and more about it. I have children, so that's one of my something that is a worry here. We've heard some horror stories in the community, and so it's just kind of such a great charity or organization that they stand behind. I wanted to share the 4 oils that it comes with. So okay, so it's 15 mils and it's 100% pure essential oil. So I've got the lavender, which is in a little purple, tangerine, hope you enjoy the sounds outdoors too. The birds are quite quiet right now, I think, because they hear me talking. Usually they're tweeting around in these trees, but I think because I'm here, they're like, what's going on? Why is she under the tree? And then there's the fir needle, which is one of my absolute favorites to diffuse. It doesn't matter what time of year. Obviously Christmas is more like or winter is when I'm kind of burning more of that fir smell. I love the needle, the pine smell, but I will diffuse that anytime because I love the smell. And then there's Sweet Dreams, and I'm not Sweet Dreams is a blend designed to calm and ready your child before bedtime. So there are the four bottles, and they're a really nice size, 15 ml. And then inside this box, they have on the side here, they have a little bonus. So you'll see here that they'll send you like all these little stickers that you can label Sweet Dreams Bath DIY Scented Stress Ball. And they're already all pre-cut. Sent me a little balloon, so I guess it's like for a little stress, to make a little stress ball. And my daughter, I make our own stress balls here at home with cornstarch, and I fill up the balloons for her as much as I can, and she loves squeezing them. So I'm so happy that they have a little DIY scented stress ball. She's going to love this. So you blow the balloon up and then allow it to deflate, and this helps stretch and hold the the flour mixture. That is awesome. So yeah, DIY scented stress ball. You just need a cup of flour, a little funnel, which we find at the Dollar Tree really easily, an empty water bottle or similar container, and then they give you the actual measurements. So you have 5 drops of the tangerine essential oil, 5 drops of fir, and 3 drops of lavender, and then you just do exactly what kind of gives you the rest of the instructions. So this is going to be a fun DIY for her. I love that it's child friendly too, especially with me having littles who like to do slime. You can do very natural slimes. You're avoiding the borax and all of those ingredients that are not good for us. So these are a really nice alternative. You have lavender scented bubble recipe, Sweet Dreams roll on, that will be really nice, Sweet Dreams bath, homework diffuser blend, and a natural slime. Oh my gosh, I love this. Love it. And then it talks a little bit about next month's box. So this is the July 2019 box, and I believe psyllium husk powder, if I'm correctly saying this, psyllium husk powder. And so that will probably be one of my other recipes. Let's open the big box because this is super heavy. Like, I'm not even sure what's in here. Okay, so I see that they have a little card and it says welcome to the squad. Just gonna read this and see what it says, if there's something I should be sharing with you guys here. Ooh, I got like pretty stickers, and you guys know me, I love stickers, love them, love them. Oh, I love it. And I get to share my code, which reminds me, I do have a special link down below, and I will give you my code that they're offering you through the link that they've provided me. You will get a $40 gift card on any future boxes or your next box order, like your subscription. It says here, how they worded it is, when someone subscribes for the first time using my code, they will receive a $40 gift card with the initial subscription box and bonus box, with their initial subscription box and bonus box. So then you can use the $40 gift card on your future purchase or your next box. So the code that I'm providing you is not a discount on today, but an additional incentive. So if you're a first-time subscriber, you'll get that $40 gift card, which is awesome. And I will give you my code. I'll put it up on the screen. And I'll also put it down below so that you have access to the code. It's CLASSYFREE, just in case. But I wanted to share with you guys what is in this giant box. So I've got some natural beeswax. A whole pack, wow. Sulfate-free natural skincare. Oh my gosh, they're teeny little beads. I don't know if you see that. And I got coconut oil. Wow, this is awesome. So this is the bonus box. It's a little bit separate from the little subscription box for July, but this is the almond oil and coconut oil. So these are carriers, and I mean, those are the ones that kind of you blend with all your essential oils to give you more quantity, because essential oil can't sometimes be directly applied. You have to diffuse it or kind of blend it in with the carrier oil. Wow. So they've sent me, oh my gosh, I love this. I love it. So these are little roll-ons. So if I create my own, oh my goodness, like a therapeutic headache remover. I'm going to look up some of their DIYs and see if they have like something that will like pick you up and kind of make you more alert, especially in the morning when you just want that nice fresh pickup. I want to feel alive. I want my eyes to open up, so I want to use these little rolls. And I also want one that would kind of alleviate a headache or tension or something like that, where you're rubbing it on your temples and on your neck. And I'm really looking forward to creating some DIYs with these. This is so awesome. And then I have they sent me my own DIY mixing little bottles. So these are all empty. So this is like a starter kit. I love this. So there's that. They have so many in here. I've got all sorts. Like I've got a ton of rolls. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have a coconut oil, cold press, 100%, also made by them, Simply Earth. I'm just gonna open it up and see if I can smell it. Oh, I like that. There's no smell. It's just, that's all there is. Coconut palm nut ingredients, coconut oil. So I want to smell the little essential oils and see if they have a nice throw, especially this fern needle. Oh my gosh, it smells like here. You know when you touch your pine needles and it just, smells so good. Sweet dreams. Oh my goodness, that is, so this says is kid, like it's for kids too. I love that. I wonder if I can, so I'll probably put that mixed in with the carrier oil in a little roll. I'm gonna see if I can film that, me making like a little DIY. There's lavender. Oh, I like that, and I'm usually not a big lavender lover. Oh, I like that a lot. These are fantastic. Thank you so much, Simply Earth, for sending me this beautiful package. Oh my gosh, I love this tangerine. Usually there's like this sweet orange that I like sometimes as a pickup. I think this would be like a nice essential blend on my temples to kind of pick me up and open up my eyes. Next time, don't forget, take a look at their website. Check out, they have beautiful diffusers. I was taking a look at it, but I'm like, no, I have 5. I don't need another diffuser in the house, so I'm looking forward to diffusing these in my home. And also, I have a helicopter going right over me, I think. Must be that's not very common to have helicopters out here. I hope you guys enjoyed going through the boxes with me. I'm really looking forward to seeing what other products they have for future months, and possibly sharing those with you as well. This was the July box. Take a look at their website because they have a ton of things. Diffusers are on there as well. I do have a few of them in my house, so I almost purchased one, then I was like, no, use the ones that I have. I'm trying to declutter and not add a ton of more things to the house, but I do love diffusing. That is one of my favorite things, and I'm looking forward to doing a little DIY blend, maybe for like a headache remover or a tension tamer, or also like a pick-me-up, like a refresher. So I hope to find some of their maybe past DIYs through their website and share a DIY with you guys in this little video. And until next time, everyone, I hope you have a wonderful weekend. For those of you who are celebrating Canada Day, especially fellow Canadians, be safe, have fun, enjoy the beginning of summer, because this is usually the weekend that marks that. And I look forward to sharing more videos with you guys very soon. Till next time, bye.